Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to sign up on Instagram. First of all, go to any browser you want and then go to instagram.com. Once you have done that, on the bottom here you can see there is don't have an account sign up button. Click on sign up. After you do that, you can see it says login with Facebook or enter mobile number, full name, username and password. We can also do it with Facebook, but today I'm going to be doing it with my email. So on the first tab, either enter your mobile number or your email. I'm doing with my email. After that, enter your full name. After that, enter your username. Once you have done that, create a password. And finally, click on sign up. Now Instagram asks you to enter your birthday, so go ahead and enter your birthday. After you have entered your birthday, click on next. Now Instagram sends a verification code on your email, so go to gmail.com. As you can see on your email, there is your verification code. Copy it, enter your confirmation code, click on next. Now click on this I am not a robot and click on next. Once you have done that, you'll have to enter your phone number in order to verify your account. Once you have done that, enter the verification code that is sent to your phone. Click on submit. Here is the terms of service of Instagram. Click back to Instagram. And congratulations, you have successfully signed up on Instagram. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload like this. And thank you for watching.